Take a look at the communal tension that are soaring in Karnataka's Hubli city. Section 144 was imposed late last night in the entire city after violent clashes erupted outside Old Hubli station. Incidents of stone pelting, vandalism broke out yesterday late evening in Hubli. This after a youth had posted a controversial picture of a saffron flag erected over the Mecca Mosque on his social media page. The police has allegedly detained the youth who made a provocative post. A group of Muslim people, after offering evening prayers, gathered outside the Old Hubli station and shouted off slogans demanding action against the youth. The mob turned violent and started pelting stones, vandalized police vehicles. The police authorities dispersed the mob by using tear gas and lathi charged the protesters. There were also reports of the protesters pelting stones from the nearby Hanuman temple and a hospital. A case has now been registered in the matter. Investigation is underway. Nagarjun is now joining us. Nagarjun, we're seeing increased amount of communal clashes across the length and breadth of the nation. At this point of time, what are you picking up in terms of the communal clashes and violence that took place in Hubli? And why is it that the law and order situation was not under control?
Well, Chaiti, this happened late in the evening or almost late in the night. What happened was a Hindu worker had posted a communal provocative photo on his Facebook page with saying that saffron flags will be put up on the Mecca Mosque and Mecca Masjid, and that after the evening prayers, all the Muslims gathered in front of the whole Hubli police station seeking justice. And when the arguments broke out, they started pelting stones at the station, is what the preliminary information is, and there was lathi charge. People tried to create riot, is what we are told. Section 144 has been imposed right now. Things have come back to normal. The moment the sun came back, the sun rose, things went back to normal. People went back to their houses. When it was dark is when there was lathi charge in the midnight. But now things are calm. People have been picked up, detained by the police department, and the questioning is going on. And the person who had put up this Facebook post, controversial Facebook post, has been arrested and has been nabbed. That was the demand. And also the demand was that you hand over that person to us. He has hurt our communal, in fact, peace and our intentions. We are offering prayers here, and during the Ramzan time, what was the necessity to provoke us by putting such photo that a saffron flag will be hoisted on the Mecca Masjid? And that was the argument between the police as well as the minority community people who had gathered in front of the Old Hubli police station. Lathi charge broke out, but what I'm picking up from Hubli on ground is that things have come back to normal, as the Hindu worker has been arrested and also few people have been detained who were trying to riot.
So there has been action taken against the person who provoked. Leave it at that, Nagarjun. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this particular story.